You want to create music on the piano and you don't know if you should start with chords or with melody. Let's talk about that. Hi, I'm Frank and I'm here to help you to become a successful musician. In this video, I want to help you to create your own music on the piano. And I've seen quite often this question, should I start with a melody or with chords? My answer is that you can start with both, it doesn't matter, okay? If you have an idea of a melody, just start with that. If you have a chord progression that you would like to use, play your chord progression and find a melody along with it. Let's try to do that right now on the piano. So let's say I've got a melody in my mind, and I want to create a song with that. For instance, we can use this melody quite well now. Okay, so let's say you have this melody. What can you do with that now? You have to find the chords. So the idea with that is to identify the scale you are using and to harmonize the scale. Let's say to find the chords that go well with the scale. I wrote an article about that in my blog Guide2Music.com, so check it out. But the idea is quite simple. I won't do a full course right now on scale harmonization, okay? But we will do with this very simple melody, we will find a few chords, maybe just two chords to go along with it. So by what I hear, I can tell that it's a major. Okay, it sounds more joyful, and yeah, it's Happy Birthday actually, so it's quite joyful, quite strong. It's not a minor, a bit sad melody. So I think since I'm playing the C key several times, that it's in the key of C. So I can try with the C major chord, which is this one. And I can try to play both together. Okay. It works. Well, now I want to try to add another chord because just one chord, yeah, it's a bit boring. So let's say I can try an F major chord. I don't know if it will fit. Okay, I mess it up. Okay, it can work, Maybe not the greatest, but it can work. So that's the idea. Even if you don't know much about music theory and how to harmonize scale, you can just play along and try. Try with G major. Not that good. Try with F major. Yeah, why not? So the idea is that just start with a melody and find the chords that go together. The other possibility is to start with chords, a chord progression, so a series of few chords that go well together, and find a melody. So let's stay in the same key to make things simple. So let's say I'm playing C major, F and G chords. It should sound familiar because a lot of songs are using the same chords. So okay, so this is my chord progression. Now I can try to find a melody with it. So the idea is to play something along the chords and start to build a melody. Okay, that's not great, okay, it needs a bit of work, but just to show you the principle, okay? So that's it, the idea is very simple, and you can, of course, do that on any scale, any key that you wish. And yeah, just start with what you have in mind. Sometimes, I don't know, I came up with an idea of a melody in my head, or by singing or humming, and then I start to build something out of it. I try to find the chords that go well together and build a song from that. And at other times I'm playing chords and I start to to feel something. Oops. So yeah, that was my main message for this video. I hope that it helps you a little. I'm not an expert in composition, I'm still making progress myself, but I want to share with you these little things that can help you. So let me know in the comment if you are working on a composition and what are your struggles, and let's start the discussion. For now, I will leave you with that and I will meet you in the next video.